making nenu 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 ne. It's like a Japanese snack. Like this. Okay, let's go. So first we need to pour the powder into the tray. I poured the blue one. Now it's time to do this one. The pink one. Just wait for a few minutes. Done. Now we need to cut the wafers along the line. Oh, that's the... We can use this to make cake. We need to add water to the mixture. Oh yeah, I forgot that we needed this. Now we need to mixy, or hollow in Filipino. After that, we mix it until creamy, which we already did. So we need to fill one side with vanilla cream and the other side with strawberry. Otherwise, we need to put this over here to the side and put sprinkles into the music section. Let's cut this up. This is kind of getting a bit messy. Messier now though. Now we need to place the cone stand upside down. Put each cone into 2 holes. Upside down. Let's put it into a dry environment. Now we need to squeeze it into the thing. I think I got some on my hand. Let's just put it on there. And now we enjoy. Nenu 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 ne is really good. You should try it at home. It is a Japanese snack.